Is your GMC Acadia key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. Acadia fobs use a CR232 3-volt lithium coin battery. When it dies, the fob stops working. Symptoms include no response to button presses, very short range under 10 feet, or intermittent locking and unlocking. To replace, gently pry open the fob with a small screwdriver, swap the battery, which costs $5 to $10, and reassemble. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the fob may need relearning. This syncs its unique ID with the vehicle's body control module. In newer models, you can enter relearn mode by pressing the lock buttons. If a battery change doesn't resolve the issue, your key fob may require reprogramming. For older models, cycle the ignition key to the on-run position without starting the engine, then press the lock button on the fob repeatedly while following the menu in the infotainment system. For push-button start models from 2020 and later, enter Relearn mode by manually locking and unlocking the doors, then follow the prompts to program the fob. If reprogramming doesn't work, the issue may be electromagnetic interference or software bugs glitching the RKE receiver, located in the BCM or under the dash. Try disconnecting the vehicle's 12-volt battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear errors and reset the system. In rare cases, use an OBD2 scanner with GM-specific software like Tech2 to diagnose specific error codes such as B1370 for low battery or U1515 for communication faults. Then reset the module. Dealership intervention may cost $100 to $300.